In this video, I'll show you how to download the correct Hikvision firmware directly from the official Hikvision website. First, open your web browser and go to the official Hikvision website. Navigate to the support section, then select Download, and open the firmware page. Here, you'll find firmware for different Hikvision products, including network cameras, PTZ cameras, NVRs, DVRs, and other security devices. Now, find the search box and enter your exact Hikvision model number. For example, you can enter a model number such as DS2CD1043G2I. Press Search, and the website will display the available firmware for your device. Before downloading, pay close attention to the Applied to section. Make sure your exact device model and hardware version match the firmware listed on the website. This step is very important because using the wrong firmware can cause upgrade problems or even damage the device. Once you have confirmed that the firmware is compatible, click on the firmware package to start the download. After the download is complete, you can use the firmware file to upgrade your Hikvision device according to the official upgrade procedure. Always download firmware from the correct official Hikvision regional website and avoid using unofficial or third-party firmware sources. For the latest firmware and official downloads, check the Hikvision firmware download page. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Hikvision and CCTV tutorials.